What happens to your food after it leaves the field? This is the part of agricultural engineering that people always forget about. But it's actually where we win or lose the fight against hunger. This is our next major scope: post-harvest and processing. In places like Nigeria, we grow millions of tons of food, but nearly half of it rots before it ever reaches a plate. This is a massive engineering failure that we are here to fix. We design solar-powered cold rooms to keep crops fresh. And we build processing plants that use AI and cameras to sort thousands of fruits every single minute. We also design airtight silos that store grain for years without letting a single bug inside. Without this, the work in the field is wasted. Preventing waste is just as important as growing the food. But the real challenge is 2050, 10 billion people to feed. This is why we are moving into our most advanced major scope: precision agriculture. We're using drones to scan fields for stress before plants even turn yellow, and GPS so machines don't overlap. We're even building vertical farms inside city buildings, using LED lights and zero soil to grow food anywhere. Civilization only exists because agricultural engineers made farming efficient. Every doctor and pilot is free because an engineer fed them first. Now, we're even looking at how to grow food on Mars. The first people on the ground will be agricultural engineers. They have to be. Because the mission ends the moment the food runs out. You aren't just building a gadget, you are building survival. You are part of the evolution. You are Agri Evolve. Subscribe to join the mission of feeding the future.